Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And here click on agree and continue. Now we can close this ad and click on allow and click consent. And now you can click on this button and then click OK. Now close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.